This is the portable floor fan. Package includes user manual, information card, remote control, and fan. Here I'm going to go through some of the settings. So you have your power on off, your rotating grill, here you have your timer, your 3-speed setting, and your mode selector. Again, here's a closer look at the rotating blade. Here I'm going to do a fan test. As you can tell, the fan pushes the tissue pretty far. Gets good air. Hope this video helps you in your decision buying process. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe.